Mahobelo Lodge. Meet your second home. Unlock your dreams. Immense in tranquility. A night to remember. Experience the extraordinary. Unrivaled relaxation. Welcome home, away from home. Luxury has a new address. Your slice of paradise. Mahobelo Lodge. Welcome home, away from home. Luxury has a new address. Your slice of paradise. Revel in pure refinement, where luxury feels like a home, a taste of heaven. Your prestigious retreat. Indulge in the unforgettable. A sanctuary for the senses. Stay, relax, and repeat. The way to stay. The ultimate gateway destination.
It's very cold. Guys, ninga visit Batulo Zami. Ish, I thought to meeting.
You thought?
Yeah. And then we are pacing in a corner.
Keep thinking when I thought.
Hello guys, my name is Itkambi Sasha. I'm back. We are at Limpopo at Mahobelo Lodge. Yeah, it's beautiful here. It's natural. Like here, you see, it's very beautiful here. Yeah. I am Mr. Limara.
We step to the one.
Chanatila.
Yeah.
Naga talk sa relate pela cause ke tsi wara ke ntho jwang. Where's me the snake?
Please open the episode because.
Please
open the episode.
Because Bong on the last.
Me? Who? You say me?
Yes.
Which one is your drink? Is this the one?
The small one.
What's thing I get on the last episode?
Nambile na ke vulang ithini.
Last time I got one Lily say lebaga ovula. So we want to know you have.
Well, give a ka lo gona fela. Angikhona ukuvula guys.
Unethele ne?
Hello guys, we are here at Limpopo at Mahobelo Lodge. I'm with Mr. Lee. I'm with Kamini. Thanko.
Sanibonani ebusuku ntambama kuseyena welcome uDlamini sibalikhulu Jamash Jadu Nkombozile Khango beyaselebeni sosigunya mkonto umfazi mabele madonca lesengane ngaphesheya komfula ngiyanibingelela egameni elihle lika Yehova. Sanibonani nginibingelela all the way from Elims namhlanje Selims Limpopo iLimpopo siseLimpopo namhlanje eMahobelo Lodge yeah ilodge eownwa umlungu wami yeah Mr. Lili Hlohonolo yeah is the one who owns this lodge yeah.
So
yeah, we will be spending our weekend here guys. Yeah, it's very nice here. Yeah, it's nature.
It's going to be a long and beautiful weekend. Indlela esihambile.
Hey,
it's fun eh?
Indlela esihambile.
Yeah, it's
Nihamba esikhathi esingakanani wena?
Navuka ngokwara to 4 namhlanje. Na woke up to 4.
Wapakisha.
Ngapha ngipakishe the day before.
Oh, this are babakisha.
Lunga kambe sengivukile. Request for me. Requested ahamba ngaya.
Hey, story on the wings.
Ngaya
nakhona mara we must cook them.
Yeah, we have to cook the wings today.
So the past week we went to Sandton to shoot and Sasha told us that she's not available. We didn't want to make it a big deal because at the end of the day it's her decision. We all come here because it's our decisions. And then we could not bring Maps because Maps is Sasha's friend. So obviously, we cannot say, oh, since you're not coming, how about your friend comes? She will think, or now out of nowhere they want my friend to come. Yeah, well, And I don't know if maps still gonna come or not, because I believe that is also not up to me, because I'm not close with maps.
Guys, montle wa tonya, so we have to cook inside.
I have to go inside then, eh?
Yes. Cause
Let me take my drone.
So mama usulodoli ngaya office so ngathatha ibhasi ngalinda uphinda ngafika ngoba saya solanda uRia uri sawula do
Ray.
Ray sa bathi kuphi eSouth la hlala khona umnyuso solanda umpilo South.
I mean, actually, South Salem North. How?
Bhuti baseNorth sawumlande eNorth. So sisuke kwaMlungu sisi. Ngesa sifike ngobani la? eMahobelo Lodge. Usuku lanamhlanje uqale eli kakhulu. Ya luqale eli kakhulu usuku lanamhlanje ngoba ngithi quarter to 4. Ya bese ngivukile. Mangivuka ngiquarter to 4 bese ngishaya ucingo ngishayela kuMlungu. Lesilungwini ngashaya ucingo walibamba ekseni ngamtshela sengigezile sengimi ngomumo yabo. Ngicela ungibizele lo muntu ozongilanda angise la angisa khona. Wangilanda umuntu ngaye officeini. Ya. Safike sathatha imoto, sathatha equipment ekseni. Sisuke officeini ngicabanga ukuthi bengingaboma 10 minutes after 5 sasuka lapho sayolanda uRay. Ya uRay naye uhlala around eJoburg, so sahamba solanda uRay naye bephethe zakhe ikhwama eziningi. Kwasho ukuthi sihamba ngebhasi elilayisha yonke into phakathi. Alincengike leli bhasi lifaka noma ungeza nomuntu uthi simfake samfaka phakathi. Liyalayisha samfaka phakathi sangena. Ushonilanga. Yes.
Anihambile ne?
Usambi. Sadlula kwaSasha. Yo!
Sibaniphethe kanjani mara egini?
Sadlula kwaSasha sathola bephekile. Siphekelwe labamphekele uphuthu wangabatshela ukuthi baphambi.
Yeah, we know uTlamini ne gore azi papa, so we decided to gore mapele phuthu. Mabana re khona go welcome the guest teacher.
Yeah, so since we decided, okay, you know what? Let's go to Mahobelo Lodge. When we get here, obviously, Sasha was in Limpopo. We called Sasha. We're like, Sasha, we're at Mahobelo Lodge. Do you want to come through? She said, yes. Then we went to Fashion.
Inqwayiba le yasemakhaya lamathamba aqinile phekwa 6 hours. Ya bahlabela yona inkukhu.
Emnandi ne?
Pheka ibemnandi. Ithambile futhi.
Ithambile. Ne?
Hayi bitapunyeka kamnandi.
Asibonge.
Ayidla kwabamnandi.
They were happy to see you guys.
Yeah, they were.
So today was nice. We were at Dlamini, Pinda, Mr. Lee. They came to my house. But we juicy at 6 and then we officially 11 go Limpopo. Yeah, they came to my house. Rapi Jinguku, Dlamini Ramapela Putu, Babuja Papa Ravapela Papa, Karakari cold drink. Like it was nice. Like family shop. Like they were happy to see them. Like everyone was so happy. Very content. Like today was a nice day. We were all happy. Asanga kabana batsadi ba ka ba le happy sola mo bophelong, guys. They were very happy to see Dlamini, Upinda, Mr. Lee. They were very happy, guys. And then the other thing was Mr. Lee utletse mama ka le keke. So siyabonga Mr. Lee and team yakhe siyabonga guys. Thank you very much. Yeah, you made my family very happy, guys, and they are very proud of you guys. And bayanthanda. Mbonile umntana sekhaya umncane athi uPhutlamini. Yeah, they were happy, guys. Yeah.
Siyabonga Mlungu for hosting us for your weekend.
Yeah, siyabonga. Your place is nice.
Ya indawo kaMlungu ke.
Hayi nice sure.
Indawo
Tell us
kaMlungu.
down.
Mahobelo Lodge igugule lapho uma ungabe ufuna ukukhiphe intombi yakho noma ufuna ukukhipha umakhwapheni noma ufuna ukukhipha umfazi wakho
Or
Ukhipha ba-
family yakho
uyifamily.
or your parents.
Ufakethela.
What?
Let's take a picture before the sun goes.
Yes sir.
And this is very
Let's take
nice.
us a picture before the sun goes. Lisa Lena, she's angry that we are at Mahobelo Lodge. We didn't invite her. Oh, guys. I can't. Trauma after trauma, trauma after trauma. I don't even know where to start. I don't even know where to stop. But Rihanna, she's fine. So far, I haven't had any complaints from Ray, or I haven't had anything that needs to be addressed. So I guess with Ray, everything is still good. Yeah, you know, also Ray doesn't like drama. Where should we stand?
Why I said around it from there?
We can be this side.
This
Because
is
I feel
too
like
much.
it's silent.
Yeah. You. Let's make it up so.
But if you go up,
This is lowing.
Sase siqhubeka nendlela. Mina, uMlungu, uphinda sibathathu. Sayishaya imoto sesibhekeke manje bathi kuphi la hlala khona uSasha. Khohliwe igama lalanda kodwa nayo hlala la eLimpopo. Sahamba sakuboka Sasha. Wafona endleleni uSasha wathi how far are you guys? Athi uMlungu 2 minutes away. Athi ya ngizoniphekela ngizothola sekuphekiwe ngizofika nidle before sihambe. Sayishaya imoto safika kwaSasha. Bafethu uthande sikuthole eLimpopo. Uthande sikuthole eLimpopo kuba kwaSasha masifika laphana ithema ingena ibhasi. Kwaphuma wonke umuntu endlini. Bebesilindele bebengomumo. Waphuma wonke umuntu endlini bajabula abantu bengathi babona bengathi babona umdali wezulu nomhlaba. Kanti bayibonela nje omasaka abafana nathi. Sangena lapha kwabamnandi kwabuliswana kwahlala phansi kwakhishwa amanzi saphuza amanzi kwakhishwa odrink saphuza odrink base beyaphaka basiphakela ukudla sadla inkukhu edliwe lapha inkukhu yasemakhaya enethamba eliqinile ya benethamba eliqinile ayisayiqoqobala sayiqoqobala sibathathu yimi uMlungu phinda sayiqoqobala sayishaya sayivala kwabamnandi wasekuthatha izithombe sase siyavalelisa sase sithi Mahobelo Lodge siza la.
come first thing us from this side.
In the min. Tlamina na tsepona emi kae? Okay, mom.
No, guys, nice this side.
In the middle.
Point that. No, come here.
Ke re kwa ne ba emiso. Propaganda. Kolo kompo ke re ba ke tla ba pusha ba wela.
Oh,
Cause ke
no,
Samara it's off.
we are rolling.
Are we rolling?
Yes.
No. I have a valid reason. I will tell you.
Yeah, nice one.
Good one. Ani avise Xathulezane guys. That thing we are in
Because say half nyana. Yeah.
Tlamini sekubela. Bona ya go tseba phela wena. I know you.
Are you happy with it? Yeah. Okay. Let's see them.
Yeah, miserable.
Beautiful. Right.
Pinda is going to be
Lisa said, I'm coming. And then Ray wasn't around. So now it looked like Ray, now we didn't bring Sasha because we brought Lisa. No. She said she can't make it. Yeah. But we spoke with Lisa because we wanted to also, fix the issue that happened last time. And then we spoke about it. She said she's cool now. She's cool with Sasha. They can talk, even though they haven't spoke about it yet.
It's beautiful. It's
Can you take
giving.
us one like portrait for Instagram? Yeah.
It's giving.
You have to go back more.
A little bit. Mhm.
Yeah. We can't get the one with the sun veil.
Tomorrow.
No, let's go that side.
Re tlohele.
utowela jwang hamba la
Mina ngizotatazela mangihamba lapho. Ngizo
ya woza uzodlula la
lelo gona nna you can say if ke ba le monna ngizomlambisa kanjani mara gana le YouTube guys gore le bone gore Mr. Lee so gore ke ba pela banna like I always cook. I don't know lena batho ba le commentang ko di Twitter le ko di TikTok gore la ibukela YouTube yethu na I cook for a man and then I always do charity ke fa bana ba hloka dijo diaparo. So you can say mina ngiyalambisana like mina ngizwela abanye abantu mina ngiyabazwela like ngasitlogela ngwana mongwe a sokola ke le gona sometimes ke khona o tšea tšhelete ka mafelelo ke fe motho lo like ke a mmona re wa e hloka a ne selo like maybe for example ana dijo ke khona o tšea tšhelete ka mafelelo ke mo fa reke dijo cause mina ngiyazwelana mina. So you can't say nna re nka dula le monna ke tlo mmolaisha dijo no nka se mmolaishe tlala o tlo nona le go nona. Tami.
imphathu zami
Nkampani ke wela ka morago tana gore ke wele ka
uzophuka ngapha
nkampani ke phuke balo ga tsa metse.
Are they nice? Take us one landscape. Yeah.
Ngata ka shake ba la re tswa mae.
You feeling cold?
I mean like mo ngora re ke kae
Are
a ke rate metsi nna a ke rate metsi.
before where like I'm.
Tlameni.
What's our phone ka mo phela we?
Oh shit ke iPhone 16 ska wara. Mara tla tsena wenchai. Nanga ste.
Don't jump fast.
boy waterproof
Yeah. Keep proof water.
So, okay. There's a lot of things that happen when you're not around. And I feel like you cannot blame us.
kodwa into engizothanda ukuthi ngiyacabanga ukuthi nani niyafuna ukuyazi ngoba imibuzo ibimningi kakhulu last week kuthiwa we Sasha ukuphi you guys enixoxa uSasha why uSasha engekho the last episode the Penthouse esiwashuthile Sasha was not there uMaps was not there. So I think and I know ukuthi uSasha owes you guys an explanation ukuthi ube kuphi ngoba nami mngani wakhe ngitshela ukuthi ngumngani akangitshelanga ukuthi ube kuphi bengazi ngibone nje umuntu engizi ukuthi hayibo asangifoneli kangitshela ukuthi Dlemsi angeke ngize ngikwazi ukuphumelela ngenxa yezizathu esu1 no2 no3 angitshelanga lutho angisendelanga WhatsApp angisendelanga voice note ku Instagram akhulumanga lutho ngifuna ukuthi achazele mina achazele nani ukuze singabukeki njengabantu ababi kuthiwa asimbizanga watshelwa I'm sure 3 days before ukuthi ngaleyo weekend siyasebenza kodwa akafikanga ngelanga akokumele sisebenze ngalo nencazelo yayingekho ukuthi kungani engafikanga. Mina ke ngiyayifuna incazelo nani ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyayifuna ngoba benibuza imibuzo nikhuluma nezinkulumo zokuthi thina simxoshile thina samfuni akazi ukuthi uyephi no Maps. There's a reason why uMaps igcine engazanga naye kumele achaze uSasha ngoba uyazi Sasha umngani wami, so angeke ngize ngimiyeke uma ngeba engena esikhotheni ngimthule ngimbe ngizoba umngani onjani my wrong ngingamtsheli, so ngimtshelile ukuthi kumele akhulume ukuthi kwenze njani waye bengekho.
Okay, I can't blame Phil.
Me and Dlamini, I end up cooking pap. Mfazi. Dlamini end up doing the kitchen stuff.
Cooking meat or meat or what?
Like I did pap and I did two, and then really Lisa again over here now. But that happened 2 times. Even in Santini, it was the same thing.
Same thing.
And in Maboneng, it was the same thing.
Same thing like what?
That time, Narzvarnim Saja Penthouse. What do you blame?
Shila kumabone lisentini.
Endleleni yokuzala kunento engiyenzile ebhasini, so ngene ku-Instagram wami, ngena ku-Instagram ngashaya enye reel, yabo, ngenze enye reel, ngaveza umlungu, ngaveza uphinda, uyabona, ebhasini. Ngase ngiyatheka labantu engibaziyo ukuthi abantu abarespondayo mobatheka ngabatheka, thema ngibatheka waseyaphendula omunye wakhona ya uLisa Serame, intombi yaseGqabs, ya intombi yaseGqabs, aseGqabeha, akajabulile uLisa ukuthi simshiyile sambili, ngiyakajabulile ngoba uthe mayibona le reel ku Instagram wasiyafona afonela umlungu, hayi wasitshela indaba zethu, wasinyela, how can you guys live without me, you guys are going to Limpopo, Dlamini, Lili, wasinyela, she's not happy la khona ukuthi simshiyile, kodwa ke sihambile yebo Lisa ngana ukuthi siyaxolisa, kodwa sihambile sakushiya mfowethu, umlungu uthe it's 10 by 10. Lokhu Sasha ngokuzayo kuzoba uwe, ngokuzayo kubo Ray, ngokuzayo kubo Maps, kushintshwa indawo. Sambe kahle ke bafowethu safika.
Yeah, you were not around.
Oh, nasa lampoja phela lushithiwe ngale.
Or lo were you all busy.
Ubuzoza.
Hayi ke ngolo tsare shithile sentini mabone na. Cause I'm surprised the sentini mabone because it was one day kirawo. How?
No, we moved.
Oh, let's mean. Okay, guys, the reason why I didn't go penthouse, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. The reason why I didn't come is because, guys, Lisa, nang abuser, guys, of the camera, nang khama, nang roga, baboni of the camera, hore. Nangkhama because of the remote. That's the reason why I didn't come, because asa khopela litharelo we bone a lot like as if like kintinyan. Guys, if nikilo motomo nikilo muli like his mara, I'm not that kind of a person, because it ili ankhama kamtloga elefen mara, because I'm not a bad person. I can go musone the future also nali future lena ramrata SMTV and una le fan lena, so I can go musine the future. So that is why Lord like nah ke no itlogela ka dipotsa let me take a break since ena le gona kontlong, because I don't go cause drama engwe yabana. So that is why Lord like nah o rile e bare wa tla ka re no, I'm not coming until ena re sharp, because re tlo senya show ye because of maybe personal stuff. So or I could say na lena re lwela, I don't know o bla neta ke tso re lwela. So it ke bone ele better gore yena ga etla ke skatla until na lena re sharp. So that is why ke sanga ke gone file go penthousing. Yeah, guys.
So
it's a location I too.
Now what I'm trying to say, God, I don't want us to
And
be
then
blamed.
why did
No
you
no one is going to blame us. No one has a right, in fact, to blame us.
Yeah? Why did you change locations?
We just wanted to be in different places. And then, yeah, she's around. But her energy is still off. I don't know if you guys can see. Her energy is still off. I don't know. I mean, it's not the same as those Santin episodes. She's not the same. I don't know what went wrong. She spoke about the dog thing. So I don't know if it's the dog thing but yeah. Because I know that me and her, we haven't been talking ever since the fight at Santin. So yeah, but let me give her some time. Maybe, she's still recovering from whatever that happened. I've decided that this time I'm not gonna fight anyone, even though I didn't fight the last time, but I will let everything be. Different places.
How, Mara? Because that place was nice, and what's a Kumabuneng is open and it's cold. Everything, like.
I know, this time it was warm.
You go, I want my face, look. Go on up here,
Yeah.
okay.
You know how it felt cooking for myself.
Seriously.
Gcine lidla yedwa kodwa awulidle yedwa abanye abadli
Please, Yana.
alidla
Should we do a fireplace now? Maybe.
udlisa inku
No, fire like a yeah,
I
mollo.
thought you were a fire.
Oh no, not firearm. So yeah, I don't know, or we go up, or we do a fireplace. I don't know.
If we did a mollo, what would you run then?
but I think ekumele sikwenze la ezantsi asikwenze la ezantsi
Yeah.
siqede.
Let's talk about what happened last time. Last week I didn't come because we really looked off the camera. So yeah, that's the reason why guys, I'm not okay. I've been trending for 3 weeks. It's like 3 weeks now. I've been trending. Like, I'm arrested. No, I'm not arrested. I'm here, guys. E-news. I'm not arrested. So, yeah, I was trending about the dog. The dog which was my neighbor's dog. That was not my dog, guys. So I've been trending. But I know social media is so way. So now I never thought that one day it would trend. And then the time it trend. I mean the time I post the video, I didn't know what it would trend. So because he posted last week, Thursday. I was back from the gym. Yeah, so I did and then I posted. So good commenting they were busy talking about the dog. I never said my in the course I thought Ruto Felambo. Unfortunately, I feel go Twitter. Tuesday, the following week, man text about to go about happy what trend the cricket trend and about trend go Twitter. And then it's the second time you trend go Twitter. You like a trend go combo balcony mix 5. Okay, there was nothing bad about it. A trend go Twitter about the dog. So guys, I've been trending but one row ba rena ke hlokomele ntja. Ke hlokomela jwang ntja e se go ya ka ene le gona. Guys, that as in ntja ya ka ile.
Masikupuwa sa
What's I want that's for braai, but it's up to us. We can braai or we go make food from.
Nana khopela ke go tone guys.
So let's go up
You
there.
know me, when I feel cold, I will tatazela.
don't tatazela.
And you know the stats.
So
I will not
siyaphezulu
be
sophika
able
khona.
to.
Yeah, it's a puzzle.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Please, guys.
Nalokho kuseyicebo.
I'm back. You guys.
Um,
Now I'm tsutsu. Yeah, I'm back.
Amadayari ngizowenzela ku
She means it's a puzzle.
phezulu.
However, okay.
Hayi ke.
Mara these tips like I said.
Because we still have a lot to talk about.
Yeah.
Me and you.
Okay.
A lot.
A lot, ne? Okay.
Okay, asambeni here.
Danko phinda umzala siyabona.
Nakinaka December.
Awuna dizimba.
Hawe lo. Mara khani uziyaphansi.
But I do want to talk to her about this. I do want us to talk and have a conversation so that we can clear the air. Because I feel like me and her, we need to sit down and talk about everything so that, we can be good like before. Yeah, but I did tell her that when we get time, let's sit down and talk. and she's okay with it, because I feel like now she do want to, you know, talk about this. So yeah, it's been a hectic week so far. Too much drama. And in the next episodes, I wish everyone can come. I wish, not easy, but I wish everyone can come so that we can be happy again like we were before, you know. So that's my wish right now.
You got it, Popeye.
Good morning, guys.
Morning, Sally.
How are you?
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm fine. Come on, follow mic, because normally I'm the one that give you a mic.
Mike nokuvulela
Eh?
ngisifakile.
What's for you? I'm not trying to cause any fights.
Mina ngisifakile.
Anyway, me and you were supposed to talk yesterday, but because of, you know, time and we were tired, I understand we didn't have time to talk. But we can't talk terminally.
Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngani?
Sifuna ukuhleba ngawe.
So kumele ngihambe.
Sokona ukuhleba ngawe kahle.
Angazi ukuthi ngizoyithini le ndaba kodwa ke sithe masiqala ukusebenza namhlanje bayabona ngicela ukuthi Dlamini, can you excuse us? We want to talk. That is umlungu wami no Sasha, so I had to excuse them. Ngahamba. Mlungu kumele ngihambe. Amabe niyangixosha nisho ukuthi hamba.
Asikuxoshi.
Uhamba.
Siyacela.
Ngoba ukopopala yashiya lapha ezantsi.
Yes, so cela ukuthi ushifte for now and then so
Uzobuya.
Phinda uzwila ngithi you heard it.
ngicela mic.
I'm shifting.
Awushemi.
Sayaqolisa.
Sizokuvulisa kuphela.
Just one, this one is fine.
Thank you. Phinda bye.
Why umphakathi Mike tshedintshi?
So that re kgone go kwa botse gore o re ga bana.
Hawu, gane ke khona go bolela nna mos.
So, yesterday, guys, I could not finish my diaries properly. I could not finish everything because I was tired, physically, emotionally, but now I'm feeling better. I'm feeling much better. Okay, so I invited Dlamini and Sasha to the lodge. Yeah, anyway, this is my lodge, guys, so support me, you know, support the boy. I'll attach the link in the description for you guys to book. Yeah. And also I'll add the WhatsApp number for the lodge so that you guys can check it out. Yeah, I'll drop it in the description. Okay, so I invited them here because we had a lot going on. But everything was unplanned. But we are here. Okay, let me explain how, because I know some of you won't understand. Sasha was in Limpopo. I was in Joburg with Dlamini. And me and Dlamini were supposed to come this side for business. And then, since Sasha was this side, I was like, how about you come to the lodge and then we'll talk about this whole thing. And then we'll just bring the crew once. And then that's what happened. Because me and Sasha, we needed to talk. Guys, Sasha do admit that she made a mistake. She did apologize to me, you know, off camera. And also on camera, she did apologize. She made mistakes. What happened was out of hand. And also remember, there was other people. So there was just too much influence. And she also felt like she wanted to defend herself. But it's the past. Everything passed. So now we good. Everyone is happy. Okay. So, Dlamini uvaile. Nacho, to be honest, I wanted you to come here at the lodge because we're gonna go relay. Should I get capture? We'll be fine. You're fine, eh? That's fine. So I wanted us to talk because I feel like we had a lot of fights. And Obasheva. I was in Rastadile Penthouse show. Before others came, Nalwana we never fought. Sangarawale legend. So, Nagawanaga Shagava to about. I do take a responsibility gore I was giving other women attention more than you. So that's why I get it. We don't have any problems.
Yeah, nami ngiyavuma.
So I don't know. Should I say it or are you gonna say it? What we spoke about?
We are at Makhobele Lodge. Mr. Lee invite lo re tla mo lodging ya gage. I'm with Pinda, Mr. Lee and Dlamini. Yeah, guys, re na le taba tse botlhoko. Mara at the meantime, sentse no amogela gore we have to do it. I go bless
Or re tla boela ka yona in another episode.
I re bolela re fetsa.
Yeah.
Or re tla kgona bolela ka dilo tse dingwe.
So we decided to gore ke ba botse.
Ngale nto besikhuluma izolo ebusuku.
Hape mo Limpopo sentse re bolela speech fela no.
Oh, ka ntele be re bolela maabane bosigo.
Yeah.
Yeah, nna le molungu re tsere decision. Since re le rena ba lo re thomile the penthouse. So re nagane go tšea break, guys. Re kgone go fixa relationship ya rena without
Social media and stuff.
Yeah, the social media. Without batho ba tsena taba tša rena ba re fa di-advice.
Because re ala ka baka la batho ba bangwe.
Yeah, re ala. Nna le Mr. Lee re nagane go tšea break from social media, YouTube, penthouse, anything e le re kopane le social media. Re kgone go fixa relationship ya rena ntle le batho ba bangwe, ntle le anyone o le like o tlo tsena gare ga rena. Because every time re a fixa go ba le motho o like wa mosha. So we decided gore we fixa off the camera. Ga bona no a gona batho, we don't fight. Re bolela setho. Mara go na le batho. Ai seng gore ona le batho ba rata go tsena taba tša batho ba itu. Go le motho a tsena tsena taba tša batho ba bedi because o tlo shela le tsone. Yeah. So I think it's better if we fix a really too off the camera and then we will come back.
Yeah, going forward, we don't want to have this kind of fights anymore. If they are fights, there should be fights that don't ruin our relationship. And also, I don't want to invite people in the penthouse and then the next thing, I make Sasha jealous, using them, or I don't want Sasha to make me jealous using Dlamini or whatever. So I want us to have a healthy relationship, and I want everyone else to be happy,
So, yeah, I can do it for today. I don't know if Mr. Lee only go
because this is not the last episode. More watching now. I tell penthouse here. I tell lunch. We're still for us under penthouse.
Yeah, it's fine.
We're still here, so we'll maybe record those if we feel like we feel like we want to record. But more than anything, Tlamin doesn't know about this.
Yeah, let's call
Tlamin
and some chele.
You can come. Because Lena, I don't want us to fight anymore.
Yeah, it is about Lena. Because Ritumila later.
Let me give you a hug. We went through a lot later. But I was sharp.
Yeah, always sharp.
Sharp. I know it's been emotional.
Yeah, yeah, probably gonna rise like some pillar.
So it's a bit.
Just good. Another surprise for you. Another surprise for you. King, at home.
Must smile kanje.
I'm not smiling.
I was made this. I can't Lisa.
Yeah, ngisho khona masimela kanje ukuthi akuhambi kahle. Wasale bakhuluma and then they called me back. Ngabuya, then they said to me they have something to tell me, and then I was like, okay, what is it? Kwenzakalani? Bangitshela ukuthi They are, I wouldn't say thinking, but they are taking a break in a penthouse due to ama-reasons wabo ukuthi they are being attacked by people. Kunabantu that are trying to destroy or ucekela phansi what they have. You understand?
Nah.
Wait.
Namile ga nyamile.
Vela khambi kahle.
Okay, ora re ga nyamile ora re
Yeah,
khaba
khamba
kahle.
kahle, yes.
Ayikhonali du.
So Dlamini, ne? When we started the penthouse, we were with you, ne?
Yes, sir.
We didn't have any fights at all.
Three of us. Yeah.
But when time goes on, we started having a lot of fights because people were coming in and a lot of things, you know? And obviously now I had to divide my attention because I had visitors and all that. And those things, here in a busy emotional relationship with Sasha, and we started fighting every time and now and then.
Tlamini le na re boletse le ena ra re go enda wa kushisha ya wa understand gore le rena re hloka break from social medias, and I never like a hloka break from social medias because of what is going on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. Kwa like kuningi kama le viewers to go see TV yang attack kuningi, so I think it's time or get break from the social media and then we'll come back, guys.
This is actually after those something episodes. This is actually the first time me and Sasha were having like a proper conversation.
Conversation without abanye abantu.
Yeah, and we fight when there is people. Yeah, boy. So we're thinking now. We take our relationship of social media for now. Then when we are ready, we'll come back. I told Dlamini that me and Sasha, we decided that we're gonna take break of like from camera, so everything will be done off camera, just to fix everything so that we can be in good conditions. Yeah, because I feel like we had too many problems with too many fights because of, you know, us having visitors in the penthouse. Everything was good from the beginning when there was no visitors, but not that I don't want to bring in visitors anymore, but I'm just saying we had too many problems, so we want to take a break and heal and be in good spirit again like before. Yeah, so meaning Kuti, we you get it?
No, I want you to say it, no.
So meaning you won't be able to, people won't be able to watch us now, basically.
Okay.
Yeah, unfortunately. Yes.
But umlungu wabeka elinye iphuzu that I understood mate when we started this. It was just 3 of us and we didn't have problems between us. We didn't have fights, we didn't have arguments between us until umlungu yena himself decided to or started to invite people to the penthouse, abantu besifazane. Then I don't know, but I think it's in women's nature to compete with each other. They're always competing. Abantu besifazane, they're always competing, no matter the circumstances, but they're always competing. Ngayo yonke into futhi bayacompete. So umlungu started inviting abantu besifazane to the penthouse. Obvious omunye nomunye umuntu wesifazane mayifika wherever la afika khona kunendima afuna ukuyidlala, ufuna ukubonakala ukuthi mina lebohanga ngifikile ngikhona, kumele nibone ukuthi ngikhona. Mina Zanele Zandile ngikhona, kumele bonakala ukuthi ngikhona, yabo. So I guess that's what they did. Laba who were invited. You understand? Okukuthi lokho akuhlalanga kahle kuSasha, kumphathanga kahle uSasha. You understand? Because at some point umlungu started giving attention to the ladies that he invited. You understand? yabona living uSasha asking herself ukuthi how kwenzakalani ke manje, so I'm here but you're not giving me attention. Instead of giving me attention, you're giving attention yami to someone else. I understand. Umuntu wesifazane naye, I understand. So she has to protect what has. So ngamanye amagama ishow iyaphela.
Aypheli is on hold.
Is on hold.
Season
Yeah.
1 is the end of season 1.
Oh, this is the end of season 1.
Yeah. We'll have season
But
2.
since we are still here, we'll see if we decide to document something and then,
Okay.
yeah.
So nithi
No, mina ngeke ngize ngiqamba manga ngiyavumelana lento oyishoyo umlungu. Yes. Angifuni ukuthenga ubuso babantu. Iqiniso kumele iqiniso liqinise nengizolisho. You understand?
Yeah.
Asikaze sibe nenkingi. Sibathathu kanje. 3 of us have never had problems. Asikaze silwe, asikaze siphikisane, yonke into ibihamba kahle. Until kuqala ukungena kwabanye abantu, that's when problems started. Yeah, so and I can see that it's not healthy for you guys.
And also, just to add on, people think Sasha is a bad person because of the whole thing that happened. But they only say now because there was other people who were involved.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
So I don't like Sasha to be fighting for attention. She's not supposed to be fighting for attention. She's supposed to get attention 100%, not fight for it.
Ngiyakhe kusukela eqaleni.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the first lady came in, the second lady came in, the third lady came in, the fourth lady came in. Yabo bebeshintshana nje kanje. I understand. So now Sasha, when she started, I would say fighting back for what she believes it's hers, then it became a fight between yena nalabo sisi and umlungu phakathi. So there was a lot of arguments, there was a lot of hatred, I would say, between them. Okwenza ukuthi kufike ekuthenini abantu, even the viewers, started attacking Sasha. About the comments, I see the comments, I read the comments. So ama-attack started coming for Sasha ukuthi wena Sasha in nani utshela ukuthi wini wena yini yabona in nani yabo kwakuningi nje mfethu. No, ngiya-understand mlungu, ngiya-understand and akunankinga.
So ezinye izinto sizozibona sibone ukuthi kwenzakalani. Okwamanje, since we are here, we'll see if we decide ukuthi sishutha i-braai whatever. Yeah, but and also Sasha, since I am Limpopo kudla shumisha speri.
Ngarule. Ayipi.
Re tlo palla.
Ya potso re tlo palla.
So I believe like you needed this, you needed some time away. Yeah. So hopefully maybe utla swima.
Kwatonya
ne?
po ke nagana re go tlhapa ka ntle batho
Kwatonya.
guys ene ke tshaba di height since ke fihla ma ke nyaka lo wa fase 36 hours or ke fihle mo.
Going forward, I don't want to be fighting with Sasha anymore. I want us to like do things right. If there is any problem, let's address it, you know. If there's anything we need to address, let's do that. Because conflicts are not good and they're not good for our mental health. So going forward, I want us to sit down and, you know, talk. If there's anything, also Linda, I want to give attention to her. I want to give her all my attention so that she doesn't fight for attention. Yeah, also shooting up here, it's a lot of work because we use stairs only.
Ne ke tsamaya jalo ka King Kong ga ke tla mo. A ke tsamaye normal as normal ke gole mo.
So yeah, I feel like now we will have time to chill and just heal from everything.
So it's
I nearly got a psychologist for the show because it was just too much.
Yeah.
anokho strong kodwa Sasha kuba omunye umuntu hey.
She's strong.
Bese ngihambile yazi.
Mama take kakhulu. So what else? Okay, Mara.
Ngihlalile ngoba ngiyamthanda.
Ne?
Ngiyakuthanda.
You?
and the reason why I'm saying ukuthi strong mfethu even the attacks from ebantwini ama viewers
Yeah. Attack. Yo.
They were too much.
Yo. Mara ke Twitter. Yo.
Mara tla go boya something. Reviewers e be di kwatetse gore wena o itse nna ke
O tsama.
a ke ja ke tsamaya wa re o di tira ngwanyana. So ba kwatetse ke that thing.
But the problem is,
I apologize for that.
okay, I'm sorry about that, guys. Mara the problem is, anu ko bolele. Problem na gago. E re phela re ro bolele.
ufuna ukuhamba ufuna ukuhlala
Ani ko bolele, like no go tsamaya. Problem na ke
ezinye izinto enizoyilungisa lezo off camera
yeah, re tlo lukisa off camera. You ga re na le problem sa ntse re dule fa se re bolele.
yeah true
I think gore sa ntse even nna ke ngalang then.
No,
Ne?
in that situation it was different. Yeah.
Ba go dirile.
But it was about who talks more.
yeah
Who talks too much.
and I feel like everyone
Because our
was on
Lisa
your
also
case.
they were there.
yeah everyone was on your case
Everyone was here.
Yeah.
So it was about who talks too
In a
much.
relationship ba rena.
Already went away,
Ke batho ba bantsi relationship ba rena.
So are you
Hello,
saying you
what's up?
apologize for that?
Yeah, I apologize.
Monna sendo re phelo mohlompha kere.
Ivan.
Monna
Coward.
Yeah, ke a tseba, ke a tseba.
Yeah.
Yeah, problem gore relationship ba rena itsene ke batho ba bantsi. O ka re 5 ya batho ka moka. Yeah.
even more
Mo,
A ke itse gore why ba tsena.
why even? Cause taba tsa batho ba itu ka se di tsene. Le go ka re ba.
Tsameno wa say gore why.
Le go ka barela gore ba hlukane. Sizo hlukana, so yelana, uzosala nazo.
mntwana mangakhuluma angifuni ukukhuluma ngama last episode we'll wait for season 2
Wangafuna ukukhuluma.
I will wait for season 2
Season 2 after 2 months.
Hafu nokhuluma.
Yes,
Hayi ke sotshe out have.
they have decided ukuthi this will be the end of season 1 with Penthouse. I understand that. So they need to take time for themselves ukuthi bahambe bohlala phansi and talk about things and fix things without abanye abantu involved. I understand kube ibona nje bobabili balungisa izinto zabo ngendlela abazoyilungisa ngayo, which mina I understand from where I'm standing or from where I'm sitting. I understand ukuthi okay sharp it's okay, you guys can do that. Ngihambe noyilungisa izinto zenu. I understand. So ngazi ke noma they are playing a big one on me or what, but the way ababukeka ngakhona it seems serious. So at the end of the day into yabo lena yabona, mina I'm only here to support them angithola. So yeah, so but hey, this is the end of season 1 where Penthouse bazobuya again whenever they feel like they have sorted everything out, sebe right bona ngokwabo, yonke into has gone back has gone back to normal. Sebengababiza futhi abanye abantu and the problems they had, the fights they had before, even if they come go season 2, those fights are not gonna make them fight. Those fights are not gonna make them look at each other in some other way.
Amuza uthini? Uthakafuna ukukhuluma.
Mina
Wabasawa.
angibasabi and then there's only 2 yabantu bayi-2 if ungakhuluma manje kuzomoshakala na ngifuna ukumoshakala. You guys are trying to fix izinto, so let's fix izinto kube right. Let's not point.
Yeah, Lena Mr. Lee, you have to talk like Lojo said ratang ke dirile.
Should we do a certain range? Okay, wait, or yeah, or ke bolele. Ke boletse ka ye kere. And then what else? Uboniga, Dlamini attention. And that's because it's because you were trying to make me jealous or what? Because of me, I was giving Ulisa his card. So what's calling me? I'm listening. Not making me happy.
Nakhona, I feel like it's because there was a third person obekhona.
Who was that person?
No, the other one when ubumnikeza attention. If ubengekho,
Let's hear from.
okay, hey Sasha,
Yes, if no ne.
Hayi
Okay.
mina ngizokukhulumela mina.
Well,
Speak for you.
The reason why no Dlamini ke mutja is my brother ne. Because ke bonile comment ba re na why ke tja Dlamini ke bolela le ena ka taba relationship ba rena. Because ke bolela le Dlamini because he was there. He was always there.
He knows. She
O
knows.
tseba everything na le gona mo di camereng. So I can't tell my friend o re o diregileng mo le le rena se gona. Wa bona. And le gona is Mr. Lee no ifa banyele mo attention no go feta nna. That is why le re nna ke decide le gore.
but on the last episode, did I? The episode from something, did I?
Na ke gopola tse.
Don't you think that time going offer Dlamini more attention and not giving our other girls?
Na ke gopola. Ka botsa mang. Because I guess I lebelela because
And I remember when without you,
yeah.
I was with Lisa and Dlamini.
Ah, sa wa re ke ba boditse already. Ba tseba gore why
Yeah.
ke ba boditse go diary.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, ke boletse already gore why ke sa gona go fihla.
Oh, it's just to fail.
Ungezomunye umntana.
Yeah.
Ish, taba di social media ne.
Yeah. Social media too much. Too much.
So this is a phela uDlamini angathola nomuntu.
Alright. Alright.
Ayofuna umthole lo mfazi umbheji la. Singatrava sale ba home.
Oh, no tlo mal ba go mala ta motho le so.
Cabanga.
It's verified. I think gore
Just
kan what 2 hours.
oyibuza uphinda when we coming here ukuthi iphinda wona ungajola la. Athi uphinda never.
Pinda why vele.
Mude it's far.
It's fine. I kiro mthe udulele na go teng.
How?
Uzohlala naye penthouse.
Nami bengihlalela iLimpopo nami. Ngahamba.
Hey umuve wedwa umuvanga.
Ke atswa re
Dlamini wa ga but Dlamini sinto rabo le spedi mo.
Wakithi bisibhedi.
was tsebe ngikubulele.
Bisibhedi. Itlopalana.
Re tlo tseba re tlo pallana fela. Yeah.
Itlopalana.
Okay, so ilujana re jilukishitse kere.
No, re sa tlo lokisa. Yeah, off the camera.
Yabona nivumelana kamnandi kanjani manje?
But there's something that me and you we didn't talk about.
Ngibe go lo mongwe mo. Hey, you were supposed to do this. But
There is something that me and you we didn't talk about.
okay, blame.
Did you see I went out with Ray?
I saw the episode. I saw it. I saw the date.
Na, ish, aketse.
And
What do you mean?
when it premiered that date ngangena nakhona. Yeah.
Ke bone maraskana ka go butsisa.
Why?
Aswa mpotsa mo so ro tlo jalen.
Akutshela ukuthi uzophuma naye.
Yeah. So ke bone ka gomola. A kenya ke di tshele nna.
Yeah, we are here at the lodge. We want to have fun. We're gonna swim. We're gonna do shooting range as well. We're gonna do hiking. Yeah, we're gonna do some few activities.
Jena le sharp. Mara since I confess today it's fine. Let's talk about it.
And singathanda ukwazi ukuthi why vele uphume naye. Bekwenze njani?
Ray, nibonile everything.
What was the reason?
Na ska theletsa le o theletsa ke no e bona ke feta so ka se lebelele. So ne le bolela ka ntsena.
Ray, you know, the world jora o tlo join am penthouse full time. That's the second wife.
As the second wife.
I mean, unga using as if you were not there.
No, I'm only asking because now Sasha is here. So I want to make sure that when
Why
I
no some
agree with
Wait. O tia John sebete sa re o tsamaye we go bolelene before bolelene.
Because you were not there even on the last episode from Mabon.
No, ona le phone. Ona le koloi, you can come where I stay. go sana le ka mo go dirileng wa motse mo isha dating le nna bo santse ba ntse re before yena re okay this is what I want to do 1 2 3 4 5 wena wa dumela na as a first wife
You're not first.
ya mo
you're second.
ya mo penthouse
Okay.
first ya mo penthouse
yes
Okay.
onkoile
Penthouse. Yes.
so manje vele uRave umenza second yase penthouse
Hlakwa watch something.
uzoyibalekela
Hlakwa watch something.
Ngazile.
Hlakwa watch something.
the viewers
Eja.
ele abo
Eja.
bathunga bathu ba go CMTV the viewers this
Listen.
one la ibona
Teja,
night
Teja.
hawo
Ke bona le tlamini ne?
tlamina ya tsene filo
Tleja.
tlamina
Ah,
ga
ke
ona
tsene
relationship
felo.
ya rena
Tlamini
ba tlo ba rena ke na mekgwa mo o rong
ba dlala ka wena ba ra o na
Elijah.
mekgwa.
Tlamini wa e ke bolela le yena re bolela ka taba gore re kena go tseba nna before wena.
why was to me penthouse at the time a le gona before nna ke tla o nyoko mo
Good question. So Tlamini va support gore yes Ray, since you are Vela you know you knew Lee before.
tlamile ba fona ngizonde
kahle kahle by all
No.
by all means
No. Wait, what I was saying, we're gonna release. I don't know if we're gonna release that one before, but okay, we're gonna release that one before this one. Then you will be able to watch it. He agreed with me.
I only said that bekumele khulunywe nawe qala before any decision we take
I just feel like na Mr. Le ausambona
No. It was okay. You know why I was making such.
wait o ra rena no
What's why?
no o ra rena no nka je decision without to bolela lena as motaka
No, you can't.
yes thank you so
Okay.
I went there the same thing
Okay, I do admit that I was supposed to talk to you, ne? The problem was, I need to be very careful because viewers are gonna be very sensitive here. The problem was, I mean, let's be honest. We were going to the penthouse weekend, and we were going to do 2 different penthouse in one day. We went to Santine penthouse. We went to Mabonim penthouse. She didn't want to come for her own reason that she stated. I get it.
okay
The only person who was available was Lee Sangit. And then the second thing, we didn't know if she's going to come back or not. I get it.
that was not
Because
easy.
she also told me that she's not coming anymore.
okay
So Ray was there to say, I'm here if you need me.
oh when Mlungu you took that decision based on what she said
I thought she's no longer coming.
okay
but I never said we are no longer dating
Yeah, but you said I'm no longer coming to the penthouse.
yes
But
but I never said we are no longer
I had to cook for myself at the penthouse. You saw? I even made
wa bona le mosadi ka ntlong
Lisa. It's not my.
Lisa in cooking
Lisa is also not.
Lisa in cooking
o motlisetsa mbela sa gona go apia bene
It's that's invited her.
how
no tlamini o mona motho
You won't agree. You won't agree.
tlamini wa motho no motho o taka ka wena yeah
No. Islamin.
no Mr. Lee o so a nyoko o bolela
Okay.
every time ena sentse a bolela
Okay.
o totloma
Okay.
topic
Can I prove my point? Lisa was angry at me. The same time you were also angry at me. The same time Lisa was not talking to me.
na asanga ka o kwatela na asanga o kwatela go kwatetse go thoma o dira o thoma motlisha tomo le rena rena re
Yeah, it's about last week. I guess. So now Lisa was not talking to me.
okay
Then Tlamina Mutlisha.
already wena o mo invited
and then you know I don't have that power
no na Mr. Lee mputso re Lisa o itla
wow
Okay.
thank you Sasha again
yes
Okay, look.
no tlogela tlamini sem
ngiyabonga Sasha thank you
Okay, Mbambile again. I think we'll meet Denise.
a di serisi mara Mr. Lee
Okay,
a di
no.
serisi
I brought Lisa, ne? I brought Lisa because I wanted us to fix things.
naye
Yeah, if you watch the episode, you will see that I'm fixing things with Lisa.
okay
We were talking. Even Tlamini was talking. You will hear Tlamini's side of the story. So I brought Lisa because we wanted to fix things. Yes, that's the only. That's why I cooked myself because I wasn't expecting Evel to cook. Because Evel, I knew Lisa wouldn't cook pap.
so nifixile into enifuna ukuyifix
Mina no Lisa. Yes, I thought so, but it looks like
yeah
nothing is fixed. Yeah.
Back to zero.
Yeah, it's back to zero. That's why even now I'm like, you know what, it's the end of the season for now. You know, we're not trying to create enemies.
Enemies, yes sir. Asiqala ama-enemies season 2.
Maybe we'll mase singashuthi iPenthouse uzongicolela.
Angiboni ukuthi
Mara that is not the reason.
angiboni.
If Sasha says we go, we go. Whoever hates me can hate me.
Akunankinga as long as Sasha ikhona.
Yeah. I mean, I started this thing with Sasha. Why would I?
Yes.
Yabo? I agree, Sasha. I started this thing with you. And Sasha said a valid point. Said there was no Penthouse when she was not in my life.
And iqiniso
And if it was there, maybe they would be part of it. But now, since she's here and also they are joining it, it should not be like, oh, okay, Sasha is a priority. I mean, Vela, she is a priority. She's the first woman here in the house, in the Penthouse. Everyone that comes to the Penthouse must ask JC from Sasha, must ask Ikaon from Sasha, must ask Walter from Sasha, not me.
Into is.
Yabo. Not me. Wangwa ka Sasha.
Wawugwa ke chomi akayi wawugwa ukwanhle. So i-decision ukuthi end of
And those who don't know, re tloga Sasha maabane.
nna batho ba ba bang attack yo.
Re tloga Sasha maabane. No guys, please.
Nna ke bolela di-viewers.
Uma ora
Nna ba
batshele yonke into.
but wait. After what?
di-viewers ha ba tshwenye. Today ba tlo ba green, tomorrow ba ba red.
No,
Ha
I
ba
know that
tshwenye ba.
you and other lady don't talk anymore. But others, are you okay with Ray? Are you okay with Maps?
No, nna ke sharple everyone. Just that ke lisa fe.
Okay. Kwanje ke Maps a go apela last time.
O te ka petse. Since I pela ke re. And it's always ukuphekelile iphuthu Dlamini.
Ya kini. Ya abantwana bakini bapheka uphuthu ya. Shout out to abantwana.
Was it nice?
Bemnandi.
Thank you.
Kaze na ka re hey batla ba nkuna sopo ba re ke je phuthu. A re ke jele maratha le ke re hai ona na le tlake.
Ya ba ngeni uphuthu.
Ne ba sa ina ke phuthu. Hello go tshia phuthu ka mo itlosha lama. Wa sa fi Dlamini phuthu ka mo ka
Bona
ija.
bobo ba ya gona Putivela.
Ba ye ba some ba
Fa
ija.
isala ka.
No ba ija ka nderkeng.
Kamas.
Papa ka ke ena ile re na mpotsa maabane a re na ke re na dula ko ba di bitsa mo sekolong ke ba na dula sekolong so na te ka pela na ija phuthu ka le ke nkomase
Nkomazi.
yeah so ke nna mpotsa re wa khona
Okay. So,
Season 2 uzoqhumayo. Ngoba ziningi izinto.
ke tlisha X season 2
Eh? Hey guys.
then we don't know attack.
awa abanrekele dijo batho ba nna mos
Hey guys, man.
ka dlala guys lite tlhohlwa ke batho yeah re tla bona na season 2 re tla bona re go iragalang.
Yeah, but for now lungisana izinto ekumele nilungise
Yeah.
and not in a rush. Nithatha isikhathi senu.
Ne. Re tla ba mona re le sharp.
But now we are sure we can come back.
Yeah, Eli. Ska ba batamela tšhomi jaaka cause nna nga se batamele tšhomi ja gago.
Plus, yeah.
So mi ja go rama ka rena ke tseba Maps fela.
Ke ra go.
So wa sa o ska ba the Maps.
Ke no go botsa for in case le mohlang ke tlisha o mongwe.
Last time ke ile ka matamela Maps.
No, you were busy saying you must come back. Hey. What? I'm not jealous. You know, go no go botsa gore ska batamela tšhomi ja.
Okay.
Cause nna nga se batamele tšhomi ja.
Okay. Are you planning to bring new friends?
I'm not planning to bring anyone. Yo,
Even if you do, it's okay.
ke tlo tlisha mara. I don't have friends.
You have a right. Nobody yet.
Now I will never have feelings for anyone that you bring.
Oh, ga ne bona le bona.
No.
Ga ne nona le feelings for bona.
For what?
Ke kwa now I will never.
Now I will never do
Oh.
that. Never give any feelings for anyone you know you.
Wena mlungu
So why not le feelings for batho ba tlisha?
Where?
So wena tlo ba le di-feelings for batho ba batlisang ka mokgwa o ya ape so we
nna ke sa tlisa ke tlamena tlo go tlisa
o tlo ba le di-feelings for batho ba tlamina ba tlisang
Nabo letha bata oh mama bathatha.
o ke tla nna tlamena di-number phone ke moka ena ba phone ya batla
still ba tseba kwa ena
yeah mara so ke sa tshwana
yes go a tshwana ba tlo chile le ena it's fine
Ngoba nami umuntu makhona mangimfonela ngizothi ngithunywe uMr Lee.
ngiyadlala yo hayi ngisafuna idrama mina ngithi lathi mina ngilethe ubani because ngimulethela for mina ngeke
Yeah, idrama be too much. Yeah, too much. No season one khona too much. Too much.
yo hayi
Kodwa ke beku it was a nice journey.
Dlamini, how is Limpopo so far?
Limpopo is treating me good.
It's Limpoping.
Yeah, it's Limpopo.
I want us to go to the shop so that we can get something and make something. I don't know if I'll call it picnic but something nice.
Yeah, mina ka dizamba go phulungwa.
Pumping, even the view is beautiful.
Ne?
O ka re ke tlo tsena ka hara metsi today aka bona ga botse.
It will be nice.
Yo, go tonya guys. Or go tonya mo godimo ne.
But I feel like when you are inside the water, it's not cold.
Yeah, go tonya mo godimo. I think go tonya godimo because siphezulu sile.
Top of the mountain.
Yeah, re di chopper.
Top of the mountain. Yeah, I bafut ngiyaqala ukuza it's my first time coming here. Yabona mabethi don't judge the book by its cover. Awulivula amapage amabili amathathu ukuthi uyifunde nje lencwadi uzoyizwisisa ukuthi kuphathele. Hayi, ngabanyatha abantu. Ya ngabanyatha abantu bafowethu. Kodwa ke ngithi umlungu wami usebenzile mlungu. Yeah, kuzo zonke izinto nazo. Ube beyiphethwe omunye umuntu lezi zinto nazo ngiyakutshela besozwa ngaye yeah bekuthi maqhamuka yena besoguqa ngamadolo simfakela ama red carpet ezintweni onazo kodwa uyithobile la uyithobile mlungu wami ngiyabonga ngiyabonga ngane yakwethu ngiyabonga umlungu wami ngiyabonga mlungu ngiyabonga kakhulu siphezulu
Look guys, kichurile.
I think we spoke what we needed to talk about. So
I'm scared to go down.
Oh, and chill.
Let's go and bath.
Guys,
Chill. Bath.
this is the end of the episode. Thank you for watching. What else?
End of episode and end of season.
Don't forget to subscribe. Re hloka 100k subscribers.
So bafethu engakusho ngosiba likhulu ukuthi because sila isikhona namhlanje it's because of you guys. I understand. Siyabonga kakhulu. Thank you so much for being with us from the beginning ye Penthouse until the end. So siyabonga season 1 bathi I'm not saying but they are saying it's done. Yabo season 1 uphelile. They will come back for season 2. I don't know when, but whenever they are ready, they will come back. Siyabonga kakhulu support, siyabonga uthando, siyabonga inhlonipho, siyabonga ukusithuka kwenu ngoba nisithukile, nisithukile ngifuna. Kwamina uqobo lami ngithukile. Kodwa mina ngisumuntu othathela izinto la enhlizweni. Hayi, angiyona lo nhlobo leyo. Siyabonga kakhulu. Thank you so much. Sibe nohambo oluhle nani bafowethu. Ngokukhulu ukuyithoba nokuzehlisa ngithi shwele sengiphuma kanje ngicabanga ukuyongena kuphi swimming pool ke ngiyoba idolphin ngenze kanje ngishaya igagasi ngibhukude. Siyabonga kakhulu. Thank you so much guys.
And we are stopping the season while we are almost on 100k. Maybe we'll do a party instead then.
Before
our subscribers can come.
Now.
Once we reach 100k.
Yeah. Maybe re bua batla ba Jimmy. Tatali Jimmy nene.
Okay,
So siyabonga for support bafethu, siyabonga for ama comments, siyabonga to those abasubscribeile, siyabonga laba baview abashareile. Thank you so much guys. CCMTV, Penthouse sithi. Danko.
We want to fix our relationship. Thank you. See you when you see me when I see you. Danko.
Lee_Lehlogonolo everywhere.
Instagram, welcome underscore Zamin 88. On TikTok, welcome Zamin. Danko.
It can be socially everywhere.
So manje sewusashali manje.
O ka check handle like khale ke le socially.
Kadlala.
Yo. Danko.
Tada.
Oh mina.
What kind of way it can be? It can be Lee.
Guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to do everything good. Thank you for watching. Dango.
Babo.